Kenya William Ruto niga tiabara ikuru ase serikali enene nabo igokuru ase nsemeria yebigambero ase nyumba yokuomera na KICC gasomo cho Nairobi unenchiremo yogoikerania rituko riga Ekatiba gochengera Ekatiba enya emiaka 15 noyomo bono iga muraibwense niga bwatukire nkwana na kuboria abananchi na baraibonsi nebyombe byonsi kwenekya nkubwatarana bire unenchiremo yokoria goikerania ase enchira yoboikerano Ekatiba eyegenya.
Young Kenyans and other citizens exercised their constitutional freedoms to speak, assemble, demonstrate, picket, and petition public authorities. Their message was clear. They wanted to be heard. They demanded greater accountability, better government, and a meaningful place in shaping the future of their nation. Those demands were not an assault on democracy. Peaceful protest, criticism, and dissent are essential to democracy. Yet, those protests also presented our republic with a profound constitutional question. How do we protect the citizens' right to protest while at the same time fulfilling the state's obligation to preserve constitutional order? The Constitution itself provides the starting point. Article 37 protects the right of every person peaceably and unarmed to assemble, demonstrate, picket, and present petitions to public authorities. That protection must be real. No Kenyan should lose their life, liberty, or dignity merely for criticizing government, expressing an unpopular opinion, or participating in peaceful demonstration. I recognize the pain that remains from the events of that period. Some families lost loved ones. Serious allegations were made concerning unlawful arrests, enforced disappearances, and the excessive use of lethal force.